Poj svima, ja sam Remo i u današnjem klipu radimo Try Not to Laugh Challenge, tako da, ali pre nego što počnemo, razvalite taj like i subscribe dole i hajde da počnemo.
1, 2, or 3. Gyrating arm. Competitive dad with his first attempt on the slide. Oh, sensational tumble. Oh, you know.
What fellas are there?
Right behind her own barn.
Wait, yeah,
Story.
idemo letimo.
Today. Yeah, that is one. Rosenberry for the whole family. One today. Wall on the contestant. Key obstacle. Laying himself at the mercy of our Abe shall not kill Abe. That's a fact. Spectacular! Yeah, put the bomb in the. Going for the finish. That's Carlo LaQuesta, Johnny. Identification illustrator. He may be getting a little too animated. Carlo must be going through this one, buddy. Oh, taking a few shots to the prayer beads. Amen. Coach Michael is up and form a bruise.
Really well.
Know how to teach their man children well. Oh, he's a Wolverine. Oh, what's that sheep doing up there? Oh, makeup artist staring down the crankshaft. Oh boy! Homemade pie. The finish. Oh, goes. From behind, that's his thing. His way. Oh, a pair of nerds waiting on trouble. She said she has a headache tonight. But mixed with vile. Oh, sweet. One of blanks today. It's a burglar. Oh, flurry of activity. Barbecue.
The bill on here, though.
Black girl. Sweeper on. Nova rush into the center. Rip part again. Getting popped. Traffic controller. Look at her hang on, John.
Izvrno, brate.
Stop immediately. Big baby David gets still headed for that finish.
Gledao sam da
Ironically,
spasite.
is no longer suspended in midair. Might just put her back in the minor leagues.
Hala promaši celo.
This looks like she's about to jump.
Ujde. Ako budulo. Gledaj pokupi sve, brate.
And if she gets a move on. Jovi, halfway there. Prayer. Our sprinklers are keeping our land. Get to the altar. Our faulty bridge. Why are we calling it that? And going for a ride. You're making it crazy.
To bi to sve bilo za današnjem klipu, nadam se su uživali, tako da ostavite like i subscribe taj dole i mi se vidimo u sljedećem klipu i poj!